Hello, good afternoon, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to your online classes, children. I am Ma'am Florina Victor. I'll be teaching you all English literature and English language. So today we are going to begin our class with English literature, chapter 1, 12 Silver Cups. So, the name of the chapter is 12 Silver Cups. We also repeat, children, chapter 1, 12 Silver Cups. So, in this story, children, we are going to read about a boy whose name is Jaffrey. You can see boy, right? Okay, so in this story is about a boy whose name is Jaffrey, and we are going to study that how Jaffrey has won 12 silver cups for running. And you know that what happened to his 12 silver cups? Okay, that 12 silver cups was lost. He lost them. So, in the story, we will study who was Jaffrey and how he lost his cups, and then with the help of his friend, he got those cups back. So, this is about the story 12 silver cups. I hope you all are ready and very excited to read this story, right? So let us begin with the chapter. Lesson 1. Children, if you all are having your books, then take out page 12. And if you are not having, you can read along with me with this slide. Okay, so let's begin. Lesson 1, 12 silver cups. Jaffrey was a splendid runner, and at his school sports he always won all the running prizes. So Jaffrey was a splendid मतलब wonderful, excellent, बहुत अच्छा रनर था, and at his school sports he always won the running prizes. उसने हमेशा अपने स्कूल में हमेशा दौड़ में prizes लिया है. You also have your annual sports day in school, right? And many of you all are good runner. आप लोग भी बहुत अच्छे runner हो. आप लोग ने भी prizes लिया होगा, right? So same way, Jaffrey was a splendid runner. वो excellent runner था. Splendid means children excellent. Repeat again. Splendid means excellent, and he always won prizes for running. He already had 11 cups. So that year, when he again won the prize for running, he had his 12th silver cup. How pleased he was. Now already Jaffrey had 11 cups. उसके पास पहले से how many cups were there? Yes, 11 cups. And again that year he got the prize for running. And now how many cups Jaffrey is having, children? Yes, now Jaffrey is having 12 silver cups, and he was very pleased. Pleased मतलब वो बहुत खुश था. Jaffrey was very happy that he has won 12 silver cups. And then, what do you think happened to those 12 silver cups? One night, a burglar got into the house and stole them all. He hadn't time to take anything else because Spot, the dog, began to bark. Now children, what happened to those 12 silver cups? One day, one night, a burglar. एक दिन रात को burglar, who is burglar? Burglar मतलब चोर, thief. A burglar got into the house and stole them all. एक दिन चोर घर के अंदर घुसा और उसने सारे वो 12 सिल्वर कप्स, सिल्वर मतलब चांदी, चांदी के सारे कप्स चुरा लिया. And he was not having the time to take anything else because Spot the dog जो डॉग था स्पॉट, वो क्या करने लगा, वो भौंकने लगा. सो ही वॉज नॉट हैविंग टाइम टू टेक एनीथिंग एल्स बिकॉज द डॉग, जाफरी का एक डॉग था and his name was Spot. He began to bark. So that burglar has only taken those 12 silver cups with him. Daddy woke up and heard a noise and tore downstairs just in time to see a dark figure running down the garden. And as Daddy heard the sound, he woke up. जैसे ही डैडी ने, जाफरी के डैडी ने आवाज सुनी, so Daddy woke up and tore downstairs. मतलब बहुत जल्दी, tore मतलब quickly. वो डाउनस्टेयर्स मतलब ऊपर थे और वो नीचे गए, सीढ़ियों से नीचे गए, और जस्ट इन टाइम टू सी अ डार्क फिगर. और उसी टाइम उन्होंने क्या देखा, सिर्फ एक फिगर, एक डार्क फिगर, शैडो देखा जो गार्डन के वहां पे भाग गया. टू सी अ डार्क फिगर रनिंग डाउन द गार्डन. Daddy switched on the light and saw that Jaffrey's cups were gone. He ran into the garden, but the man had disappeared. Now what happened, children? As Daddy switched on the light, what Daddy saw? That Jaffrey's cups were gone. That burglar who entered the house has taken all Jaffrey's 12 cups and he was gone. And as Daddy switched on the light, the cups were not there. He ran into the garden. After seeing that, Daddy ran into the garden, but what happened? The man disappeared. Disappeared मतलब वो man गायब हो गया वहां से. So Daddy rang up the police, but nobody seemed to be able to get back those cups. Now what happened? Daddy rang up the police. अगर कहीं चोरी हो जाती है तो what we do? लोग क्या करते हैं? They call up to the police for help. But what happened? Nobody seems to be able to get back those 12 silver cups of Jaffrey. Now Jaffrey was very unhappy. Jaffrey बहुत दुखी हो गया. Unhappy मतलब बहुत दुखी होना. वो बहुत दुखी हो गया. वो खुश नहीं था. And why? Because they were his and he had been proud of them. वो cups जाफरी के थे and जाफरी was very proud of them. अगर आपको प्राइज मिलता है, so you are proud ना, and your parents are proud. Everybody is proud of you that you have got prize. So same way Jaffrey was very happy and he was very proud of them. But now as the burglar has taken the 12 silver cups, now Jaffrey become unhappy because those cups was his favorite. The policeman took a lot of notes and asked a great many questions, but he didn't catch the thief. Though he said he felt sure he knew who it was. 2 weeks went by and nothing was heard of the 12 silver cups. Now the policeman, you can see the picture. In this picture, policeman is there and he is asking so many questions to Daddy and Jaffrey. He asked a great many questions. मतलब उन्होंने बहुत सारे questions पूछा, but वो thief को नहीं पकड़ पाए. पुलिस ने कहा कि I know who he is, but 2 weeks went by. 2 weeks चला गया, but पुलिस ने बगलर को नहीं पकड़ पाया. There was no news about that 12 silver cups. Then another bit of bad luck came to Jaffrey. Now again a bad luck came to Jaffrey. First bad luck was his 12 silver cups was gone. Burglar has taken all. And the next another bit of bad luck came to Jaffrey was he lost his tortoise. उसने उसके पास एक टॉर्टस था जो घूम गया. टॉर्टस मतलब कछुआ. कछुआ देखा है ना सबने, है ना. सो जाफरी वाज हैविंग अ टॉर्टस. What all Jaffrey had? 12 silver cups, Spot the dog, and tortoise. So now another bad luck came. Jaffrey lost his tortoise. He had Slow Coach, his tortoise. Now what is the name of that tortoise? What was the name? Slow Coach. So Slow Coach was Jaffrey's tortoise. He had Slow Coach, his tortoise, for 6 years and was fond of the quaint old creature. Now he was very happy with that creature. Creature मतलब animal. वो जो animal है क्या है? tortoise. वो उसका favorite था. and quaint मतलब एकदम unique, different creature. और वो उसका नाम क्या था? Slow Coach. Slow Coach would let Jaffrey tackle him under the chin and would always poke his head out when Jaffrey whistled a special whistle. Now he was gone. So Slow Coach and Jaffrey was very close, and Jaffrey know how to tackle. मतलब वो Slow Coach को कैसे डील करना था वो किसको पता था? Jaffrey को. And always he poke his head out. कछुआ कैसे होता है? टॉर्टस कैसे होता है? वो शेल के अंदर रहता है, बट अचानक से अगर वो कोई आवाज सुनेगा तो ही पोक हिज हेड. पोक मतलब अपने सर को बाहर निकालना. सो आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू जाफरी विसल मतलब सीटी. जैसे ही जाफरी उसके लिए एक स्पेशल सीटी बजाता था, व्हाट स्लो कोच विल डू? ही पोक हिज हेड आउट एंड नाउ ही वाज गॉन. पर अब वो टॉर्टस कहीं चला गया था. सो यू कैन सी द पिक्चर. ये जाफरी है, ये स्लो कोच है, एंड व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द डॉग चिल्ड्रन? यस, Spot. So dog has Spot, tortoise Slow Coach, and he is Jaffrey. Oh mother, where do you think he can be? Said Jaffrey. I have hunted over every bit of the garden. Now what Jaffrey is asking to his mother? Where do you think? आपको क्या लगता है कि मेरे 12 कप्स कहाँ गए होंगे? जाफरी अपनी मम्मी से क्वेश्चन कर रहा है. आई हैव हंटेड एवरी बिट ऑफ द गार्डन. मतलब मैंने गार्डन के हर कोने में, हर जगह पर ढूंढ लिया, बट आई हैव नॉट गॉट माई 12 सिल्वर कप्स. He must have escaped into someone else's garden, said mother. You know how tortoise wondered Jeff. Now here what Jaffrey is asking to his mother, that where is my 12 silver cup and where tortoise is gone. I have searched the whole big garden but I have not seen, I have not got my tortoise, where he is gone. So mother is answering, he must have escaped to someone else's garden. वो किसी और के गार्डन में चला गया होगा. You know how tortoise wonder Jeff. Tortoise यहाँ वहाँ घूमते रहते हैं, you know. So maybe the tortoise must have gone to someone else's garden. Jaffrey went to look at the fence and he looked very carefully indeed. He looked very carefully indeed. Mother was right. The wire was not so strong and Spot had scrapped as it and bent it back in one place. So he might get into the big plugged field at the back. So Jaffrey went to the fence. Fence मतलब वो जो एक गार्डन में हम लोग फेंसिंग करते हैं ना, बाउंड्री बनाते हैं, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फेंस. एंड ही हैज सी केयरफुली एवरी वे, वेरी केयरफुली. नाउ ही सेइंग मदर वाज राइट, मम्मी ने सही कहा था दैट ही मस्ट हैव गॉन टू सम अदर्स गार्डन. व्हाई? बिकॉज द वायर वाज नॉट सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. जो फेंस, जो वायर से फेंस बनी थी वो उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं था. एंड स्पॉट हैड स्क्रैप्ड. स्पॉट ने क्या किया, वो डॉग ने उसको स्क्रैप करके बेंड कर दिया फ्रॉम वन प्लेस. एंड मे बी he must have gone to that plugged field. His brown shell is so like the earth, I don't believe I did see him if he was right under my nose, said the boy. Hey Spot, come and help me find Slow Coach. Maybe your nose will find what my eyes can't. So now what Jaffrey is saying, that maybe the tortoise shell is of brown color. टॉर्टोइस का सेल कैसा होता है, ब्राउन कलर. एंड इट्स सो लाइक द अर्थ. अर्थ जो धरती है, जो जमीन है, उसका कलर भी ब्राउन है. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर वो मेरे आंख के सामने भी होगा, बी अंडर माई नोज, मतलब वो मेरे सामने भी होगा, बट आई वोंट बी एबल टू सी बिकॉज हिज शेल and the color of the earth is same. Both the colors is brown. And how I am going to find the tortoise, said the boy. Now he is asking Spot. Who is Spot? Dog. Now he is calling Spot that come and help me to find Slow Coach. Now you know dogs are having the sense of smell. उनका जो smell करने का sense है, that is very powerful. आपने देखा है मूवीज में या रियलिटी में, पुलिस पीपल, पुलिसमैन, आर्मी, दे हैविंग डॉग्स. वो डॉग को क्यों पालते हैं? बिकॉज दे कैन स्मेल एंड दे कैन टेल द पर्सन, they can find it out, है ना. So the same way Spot, Jaffrey called Spot to help to find Slow Coach, and he say maybe your nose will find what my eyes can't. मतलब तुम्हारी नाक जो ढूंढ सकती है वो मेरी आंखें नहीं ढूंढ सकती. Spot squeezed through the hole in the wire and danced over the field yelping. He sniffed here and then he and Jaffrey both saw the same thing in the middle of the field. A piece of earth flew up into the air and then another. Now what happened? Spot squeezed the hole and he was dancing over the field. Field मतलब जो खेत था वहां वो चिल्ला रहा था और डांस कर रहा था. And what happened? He sniffed. Sniffed मतलब जो डॉगीज सूंघते हैं ना, उनको बोलते हैं sniffed. So that Spot sniffed here and there, and what he saw something in the middle of the field. उसने वहां पे फील्ड में कुछ एक चीज देखा. A piece of earth flew up into the air and then another. Now what Spot started to do? उसने वहां पे एक पीस ऑफ अर्थ मतलब एक जमीन पे एक जगह पर उसने क्या करना शुरू कर दिया, वो मिट्टी खोदना उसने शुरू कर दिया. Then Jaffrey ran over the furrows and when he got to the place he laughed. Now what happened? As Jaffrey ran over the furrows. Furrows मतलब जो खेत में एक तरफ ये पूरा उगाते हैं, जैसे अगर हो गया कॉर्न्स, वीट एक जगह पे और बीच में एक रास्ता होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज फरोज. सो Jaffrey ran over the furrows. It is a line digged by the farmers in the field. So Jaffrey ran over the furrows and what he saw that when he got to the place he laughed. वो वहां जाफरी वहां पहुंच के क्या करने लगा? हंसने लगा. It's slow coach, burying himself for the winter. He said, "What a long way you have walked over the field, slow coach." Now, who was there? That Spot and Jaffrey saw something in the middle of the field. That a piece of earth was flying up into the air, one by the another. तो उन लोगों ने क्या देखा था, जाफरी और स्पॉट ने, कि एक जगह पर मिट्टी, जैसे हम खोदते हैं तो मिट्टी उड़ती है ना, वैसे ही जाफरी एंड स्पॉट ने देखा. एंड दे रन ओवर द फरोज एंड व्हाट दे हैव सीन देयर, जाफरी laughed. Why? Because slow coach, the tortoise, was burying himself. जो टॉर्टोइस होते हैं वो जमीन के अंदर या पानी के अंदर रहते हैं, राइट. सो दैट स्लो कोच बरिंग हिमसेल्फ, बरिंग मतलब अपने आप को मिट्टी के अंदर गाड़ना. तो वो क्या कर रहा था स्लो कोच? ही वाज बरिंग हिमसेल्फ फॉर द विंटर. विंटर मतलब ठंड के लिए स्लो कोच अपने आप को उसके अंदर बरी कर रहा था. ही सेड, "What a long way I have walked over the field." Now Jaffrey is asking, you have walked so long, तुम इतना लंबा चल के आके अपने आप को यहाँ पे बरी कर रहे हो, स्लो कोच. "Woof," said Spot and danced around the tortoise. There was nothing much to be seen of him except one hind leg, for he was now half buried. Now what happened? Spot, the dog, कैसे चिल्ला रहा था? Woof, woof. And he was dancing around the tortoise. Spot was dancing around the tortoise. हमको कोई चीज मिल जाती है, even the dogs, even the animals feel happy. So the Spot was very happy and he was dancing around the tortoise. And only tortoise one leg was seen. सिर्फ उसने अपने आप को हाफ बरी कर लिया था जमीन के अंदर और सिर्फ उसका एक पैर दिख रहा था. Then what happened? Jaffrey pulled slow coach gently out of the soil. अब स्लो कोच को जाफरी ने वो सॉइल, वो मिट्टी से बाहर निकाला. जेंटली मतलब धीरे से. जाफरी pulled slow coach out of the soil. I hope children till here you have understood the story. So the story is about, let's recap. This story is about a boy whose name was Jaffrey and he had won 12 silver cups for running. For what he has won that 12 silver cups? For he always won all the prizes for running and he was very fond of that 12 silver cups. But one night what happened? A burglar matlab chor, he entered into the house and he has stolen all the 12 silver cups and he was gone. And as daddy heard the voice, he woke up, he ran into the garden. But what happened? Only daddy has seen a figure of a man and who is running through the garden. As daddy switched on the light, what he saw? He saw that the 12 silver cups of Jaffrey's were gone. He ran to the garden, but the man disappeared. Daddy ran into the garden to see, but the man had disappeared. Now, daddy rang up the police and policeman said, he asked a great many questions and he said maybe knowing that person and he will catch the thief as soon as possible. But 2 weeks went by but there was no news about 12 silver cups, and as this was going, again a bit of bad luck came to Jaffrey. And what was it, children? Yes, he lost his tortoise. And what was the name of the tortoise? Slow coach. So he lost his slow coach and he was very sad. He asked to his mother, where do you think slow coach can go? So what mother said, slow coach must have gone to some other's garden. And Jaffrey went to see where slow coach is. So what he saw that the fences, the garden fences was very weak. It was not strong, and Spot, who was Spot? Dog. He had scrapped it, and there was a place for Tortoise to go, and the Tortoise must have gone to someone else's garden. So Tortoise, Jaffrey and Spot went to find out the slow coach. And what they have seen, children? They have seen a place where the mud was flew into the air, and who was there? Slow coach. So Spot and Jaffrey have seen slow coach bury himself under the field for winter, and as Spot saw Tortoise, slow coach, he was very happy, and Spot the dog started to dance around the slow coach, and Jaffrey pulled slow coach out gently from the soil. So this was the story, and for the story we will continue in next video. Okay, till then be safe and be happy. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.